Out here today at the Iona College in Charlemont, back of Geelong. You can see behind me there's a 350,000 litre or just over SPELChamber installation.
Well, this particular project for SPEL is a 350,000 litre storage tank. So we'll have 8 chambers with an inlet, outlet and a recycled water main which will feed a 18,000 square metre cricket oval and AFL grade football pitch.
Now this here is capturing water from the cricket oval, very large system that's being built on the other side of the project. And what it's doing is it's storing it for reuse. So it's incorporated into an irrigation system, being captured and then irrigated back into the fields to keep it all nice and green. The inlet into this system comes through a pump well, which has an extended sump underneath it, which doubles as a knockout for the sediment. Coming into the system, you can see behind me in this inlet row, the 600mm diameter pipe, and that allows for future access if needed, but mainly for maintenance. This row is wrapped in a woven geofabric, as you can see, and what that does is it stops any sediment that does come through from going into the ballast under the tank and over it. The installation team are building the manifold system on the back of the arch now, the back of the chamber tank. So this here balances the flow when it's coming in and spreads the load through the chambers. A lot of you would have heard us talking about the material to be used. So you can see it sitting here in this excavator bucket. This is what we call 20 to 50 mil. So it's a ballast. Lid locks together. You see there it's non-compacting and it stores in excess of 40% of its volume. What that means is that 1 cubic metre of this material will hold at least 400 litres of water. So it's a larger than 40% void ratio.
Oh yeah, it's easily dealt with, nice and quick. Yeah, good support. Now out here, so far all we've done is dig a hole, which we're pretty happy with. Looking forward to getting all of our liner in, everything's been delivered nice and quick.
We partnered with them to make sure that the system's delivered perfectly, fulfilling expectations. This is Kurt Jensen from SPEL Stormwater. Don't hesitate to drop us a line at sales@spel.com.au so we can help out with your stormwater management needs. Also, feel free to watch more of our installation videos here. Thanks.